our software works best on the Kindle Fire. So to download it, go to the Amazon App Store for your Kindle or go on the Google Play Store for any Google device you might have. Then search Feed the Nation and then download it. Once you have downloaded it, you should be able to have access to the app on your Amazon Kindle. If you can go ahead and just click on that app for now, it should take you to the first page that you need to get to. After selecting the Feed the Nation app on your Amazon Kindle, make sure you enter in your email and password and then select Sign In. Once you have signed in to the Kindle, you'll be on the main dashboard screen. And here included are calculations of applicants signed, whether that be TFAP or non-TFAP, TFAP boxes given and non-TFAP boxes given, TFAP people fed and non-TFAP people fed, and then there is an accumulation of sync errors. So furthermore, to create a new applicant, look up in the top left-hand corner and select those 3 bars to go to that section. Creating a new applicant is vital to our software because it helps us keep a record on our monthly distribution reports, and it also shows our accountability with our applicants. Once you sign in with your credentials, you'll be on the main dashboard screen. Look up in the top left-hand corner and click on the 3-bar dashboard menu. Once you click that, then click Applicants. After you have selected Applicants, select the plus sign in the bottom right-hand corner to create a new applicant. After you click on the plus sign to create a new applicant, you will go through the basic information application process. So basically what you'll want to do is fill in the first name, last name, date of birth, your phone number, and with the phone number you want to make sure that you include the area code and that there is no dashes between the numbers as well. Furthermore, you want to put in the address and then your zip code. So as you can see here, once I put in my zip code, it automatically populated the geographical location around me, which is a software upgrade that we have now with Feed the Nation. But besides that, once you finish with all that information, make sure and click Next in the bottom right-hand corner to put in your household members. After you finish with the basic information, you'll be on the household members section. Enter in the amount of the household members, and as you do that, you will be able to see that there is an automatic calculation of the members or numbers of people you put into the system. Furthermore, to add a household member, click on the green tab below. And as you do that, make sure and enter in the new information of the dependent that you'd like to add to the household. And then once you do so, click on Save Dependent. For eligibility, select the item that applies to the applicant. For example, the applicant might receive SNAP or food stamps, TANF, SSI, or Medicaid. Furthermore, if the applicant does not apply for any of these programs, you can put in the rough estimate of the monthly income that that household might make. Take note, however, that when you put in the income, you want to make sure that you click on Income Frequency and click the Monthly option. If there is by chance an error in the eligibility section, you can always make corrections. To show the other options, deselect the income frequency. If the applicant does not qualify, you can always make a correction if needed. To show the other options, deselect the income frequency. If the applicant gets approved through food stamps or through an approved monthly income rate, then that means that they have been approved for TFAP commodities. Afterwards, just select OK and continue on with the new application process. Once you have been notified about the eligibility of the applicant, just scroll down and select Next. Even though the display is a little different on the mobile devices than the website, it still portrays the same concept. Furthermore, to select the questions for the demographics, interested in type of work, and allergy sections, just click on the Nothing Selected tab to display those options. And for demographics, you'll just click on if the patient or if the household has cancer, has high blood pressure. Just click on the question that pertains to them and the type of needs that they might be dealing with at that moment. So in general, this extra info page just shows the people that are using this system that we are a multi-purpose food distribution system that likes to help others in more ways than just food. A new feature that we just added is the insurance feature. Now, to look at that, click on the Unknown tab right beside Insurance, and then you can select yes, no, or if they receive Medicaid and Medicare. So it is just an extra option that we have added to the extra info section. Once all those extra info questions have been answered, just scroll down and select Next. In Private Notes, click on the Nothing Selected tab to view the options. Furthermore, you can only be an authorized user to see these notes, so you're also more than welcome to write down any notes if somebody does appear to be rowdy or out of control. After you fill in your private notes, we have proxies. So in order to add a proxy, select the green tab called Add Proxy. For proxies, just enter the proxy's name and select OK. After you enter in the proxy's name, you will want to click on the Take Picture button to capture the picture of the note on the screen. Once the proxies have been completed, scroll down and select Next. Also, we have an alternate section where the applicant can assign a person to pick up their box within every 6-month period. To do so, select the Add Alternate button. For a new alternate, just add the alternate's name and obtain a signature from the applicant as well. Once you've done so, just select Save. After you have created a new alternate, just scroll down and select Next. The last step in the new application process is the Sign and Save page. And basically you have a couple of steps to fill in. The ticket number is an option for food pantries to use for organizational purposes for their participants. And down below that we have the number of boxes that the household would get, and that is automatically calculated within our system. And then below that we have signed TFAP or signed non-TFAP. And then also below that we have the non-discrimination statements, and the applicant can view that in either English or Spanish. So as soon as you fill out all that information for the applicant, if they have consent for you to do so, either click on Sign TFAP or Sign Non-TFAP, depending on which type of box that they approve for. Once you have selected your TFAP or non-TFAP box, another screen will come up and it will ask you if you would like to share any basic demographic information with Feed the Nation affiliates. And basically you have the choice to either agree or disagree to this statement, but if you do agree to it, it actually allows participants to become a part of a multi-purpose system, which means that they're able to find job opportunities and medical attention just by clicking a button. With the signature screen, select Save after the applicant has signed. After the signature, a green box in the middle of the screen at the top of the page will show you that the applicant's information has been saved successfully. To search for an existing applicant, sign in and go to the main screen. Click on the 3-bar dashboard tab, then the Applicants tab. After clicking the Applicants tab on the dashboard, select the search bar. To view the information, type in the applicant's first name in the search bar. Then select the search icon located on the right-hand side of the keypad. Once you search for an existing applicant, the basic information should appear. So just go through the information like you would for a new applicant and then sign them up either for their TFAP or non-TFAP box for the month. Since our mobile devices are now capable to work offline at food distributions, you have to be connected to Wi-Fi or internet connection in order to sync before signing out on your mobile device. Another safety and informative feature that Feed the Nation has is notifying our participants that are using the Kindles about when the proper time is to sync the information. So when our clients are being helped on a mobile food pantry site where there's no internet connection, the Kindles will be offline. So for chance, or for example, if one of our volunteers tries to sync the information without internet connection, this box will pop up um, asking them politely to try again when they are online to sync the information. So it just notifies them if they had forgotten what to do to make sure that the only way they can sync the information is being online with Wi-Fi connection. On the main dashboard screen for the Kindle is applicant signed, boxes given, people fed, and sync info. Now sync info is our newest feature to the Kindle itself, and we just wanted to have that there as an informative feature to show the user that's using the Kindle the failed attempts or how many sync errors that were on that Kindle device. So it just lets us know if there are any problems with the syncing process, which is why we wanted to have that placed onto the system. And finally, let's go sync our product and get these applicants the help that they need. To sync, we always sync our new applicants before signing out. However, you want to make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi or internet connection so you can sync properly. After you are in the right area, you can then click the Sync button in the bottom left-hand corner. Signing out is a very simple process, just like the rest of our system. To sign out of your mobile device, select the 3-bar dashboard key in the top left-hand corner and select Sign Out. Right before signing out, you will see a safe warning box that comes up. It asks you if you are very sure to sign out because any unsynced information will be lost. And basically we created this tab just to ensure that no careless mistakes are made by our volunteers or users. Furthermore, if you are completely sure about leaving the program, make sure and click the green Sign Out button. Afterwards, the Sign In screen should appear after you have successfully signed out.